So first, let me say happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there, all the female subscribers who are mothers, all the viewers who are mothers. Happy Mother's Day. You guys are the nurturers of the societies in which we live, and we appreciate you. So happy Mother's Day. Now peeps, the Dexta Daps Bring It to the Owner video is still the center of conversation in Jamaica anyways, and on social media. That steamy video has sent tongues wagging, some mostly positive, especially from the ladies. They love it. You understand? A few people like myself have one and two concerns. And I said the song shot, the video shot, it's just that I have a few concerns as it relates to how influential it might be for our children. However, I'm sure everybody who watched the video was curious as to who the young lady in the video is. Her name is Felicia Carty, aka Lady Ice. She seems to be very curvaceous and she's very attractive to the eyes, and I'm sure the males who watched the video would have found her nice to look at. Turns out though that Dexta Daps isn't the owner. You understand? The owner is actually a lady, as it is believed that Felicia is gay. Have a look at this. It says, female star in Dexta Daps steamy owner video is gay. Turns out the real owner is a lady. That kind of funny still. It says, dancehall reggae artist Dexta Daps broke the internet on Thursday, May 11 with the release of a short film for his debut album, Intro. The sexually charged 8-minute 53 seconds cut was produced and directed by Chris Strikes and sees Felicia. She's also Felicia Carty. She's also called Lady Ice, starring in an explicit scene for his owner single going viral on social media. Since the video surfaced online, many began lusting over Lady Ice. However, sorry to say guys, you are not her type. Turns out Carty is gay and she's happy in her long-time relationship with a female who goes by the name as in Dey-Dey, -Dey. I don't know if it's Dey-Dey or Dey-Dey. I don't know how to pronounce the thing. So it's, I'm gonna say Dey-Dey Baucevelli. You understand what I say, peeps? Look at that though. John one star. Look at that.
Them a preach and preach, step over they go beat and teach. See them so me see, beat and teach. So beat and teach, so beat and teach, beat and teach, beat and teach.
So peeps, what a letdown, eh? Gents, what a letdown. Cause I know say, will this have any negative implications for the song or the video? Absolutely not. As a matter of fact, it might even spark more interest and intrigue and more people are go watch it. You understand? So it might work out even more favorably than it has, because the video has gone viral already. But I'm pretty sure many males would be a little bit disappointed to see such lovely material being used for the wrong purpose. Yeah, that's what the video says. So she apparently is gay, and her lover goes by the name Dey-Dey. I work with that Dey-Dey. You understand? If the pronunciation is wrong, please you can link me up and let me know. You understand what I say? So the pictures, I would have got them in the article that I read. So I can't verify it 100% in a piece. But I just work with the article. So give and take. You understand what I say? If it is not true, then it's not true. You understand? But the news on the ground is that Lady Ice kind of cool like that, and she don't really warm up to men that way. You understand what I say? Personally, I've been asking if the sex scenes in the video are real. I don't know. You understand? I'm going to link up Dexta, Lady Ice, and ask she or him that. Them look real to me, but who knows? You know, videography and editing those are powerful things. So who know? But me know say the video I work for Dexta, the thing gone. You understand what I say? The thing they're upon a different level. It's a new bar. It's a very brave approach. It is one that is working. And I just want them things. The lady eyes, yeah, no star. Fronts. In a real life. Big woman thing. But angle your business, mama. Ah boy. What a waste. I'm out. Remember to like, share, subscribe. This is Steve saying, until next time, walk good.